Previously on Geocaching Adventures, we explored the geological wonders of Iceland, then jetted with you to the art and fun of geocaching in Oslo, Norway, and lastly, brought you to the beautiful old city of Stockholm, Sweden. In this episode, we depart Stockholm on our cruise ship, destined for Helsinki, Finland. Our adventure plans were upset by certain politicians deciding to shut down this capital city for a tete-a-tete, so our group improvised a new plan where we visit some cool urban caches, find the oldest geocache in Finland, and attend a great event hosted by local cachers. So, enjoy a pineapple Jaffa and join us for another fun and informative episode of Geocaching Adventures. Helsinki is the capital city of Finland on the shores of the Gulf of Finland in the Baltic Sea. We couldn't explore the downtown, but we'll show you some cool alternative areas where we not only geocached, but enjoyed some of the local culture.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to Helsinki, Finland. We are in one of the town's parks and checking out some sculptures and looking for geocaches.
This park and its intricate artwork are dedicated to John Sibelius, the famous Finnish romantic composer, and of course there's a nearby geocache.
Way to go, Mrs. Monkey. So, two quick finds in the park. We're headed back to our tour bus and on to the next destination on our tour of Helsinki. So, interesting story. Putin and Trump are both meeting in the city on the same day we happen to be visiting. So a lot of stuff that we would have loved to see is going to be shut down for protests and security and such. So a little disappointing from that perspective, but we're still going to try and see as much cool stuff as we can and share it with you guys on this video. So welcome to Helsinki, Finland. Let's do some geocaching, guys. We're now at the university grounds, going to do a virtual cache here. Kind of fun. That statue right there.
Yeah.
Must be a pirate. Look at that lake.
Yeah. Arr.
Arr.
Our next destination was to head north out of Helsinki along Highway 4 in search of GC72 Sungear, Finland's oldest active geocache.
Hey guys, so we are quite a few kilometers out of Helsinki. We are on our way with a big group to go find Finland's oldest geocache, a Jasmer spot filling cache. It's called Sungear. So beautiful woods out here in the Finnish forest. The question is, how many geocachers does it take to find Sungear?
And with GC72 found by our adventurous group, we boarded our tour buses back to Helsinki for an event held in our honor by a group of local geocachers.
And so after the big travel back down into Helsinki, we were able to find the event with the various local cachers who are hosting it right along the beautiful Baltic Sea. So let's take a look at the sea and then we'll check out the action at the event. This is our wheelie. This is our host Phil from our event.
I could do a two wheelie. Do a tight circle fast and the inner wheel rises up off
Nice.
the ground, you know.
That's a cache video.
So guys, that is our day in Helsinki. We're wrapping it up. We're on our way back onto the ship. It was an amazing time. Had a great host, lots of fun, met lots of local cachers here in Helsinki. So even with Trump and Putin kind of messing up our day the way we had it planned, we made the best of it. Had an amazing geocaching adventure. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to follow us Instagram and Twitter at LANMonkey and please subscribe to our channel. All right, you guys. Cache safely, cache often.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't miss our next episode when we arrive at scintillating St. Petersburg, Russia on our geocaching adventures.